Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to work on exponential equation, and we have two questions. We are going to work together step by step. Straight, let's go to question number 1. It says that 2 power n plus 1 is equal to 64. We need to solve for n. Let us put 64 as the product of prime factor. That is going to be 64 by 2, we get 32, by 2, we get 16, by 2, it is 8, by 2, we get 4, by 2, it is 2, by 2, it is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 64 is the same as 2 power 6. Already, we change 64 into power form. That is 2 power 6. So, now it is going to be 2 power n plus 1. This is equal to 64 is the same as 2 power 6. And we know if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If we have the same base, the power are equal. Now b is equal to c. Now we have the same base 2. The power is going to be equal. That is n plus 1 is equal to 6. We can take 1 to the right hand side. It is going to be subtracted. So n is equal to 6 minus 1. We get n is equal to 5. Let us do question number 2. We have 4 power n. This is equal to 16. First, let us put 16 into power form. That is 16 by 2, it is 8, by 2, 4, by 2, it is 2, by 2, 1. So 16 into power form, this is equal to 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4. So now 4 power n, we can write in this way. 4 is the same as 2 square power n. This is equal to 16. We say is the same as 2 power 4. Let us multiply the power. We are going to have 2 power 2n. This is equal to 2 power 4. Since our base are the same, the power are equal. That is, if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the base are equal, means b is equal to c. In that case, 2n is equal to 4. We can divide by 2. We can divide by 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, 1. By 2, we get 2. We get the value of n is equal to 2.